Hello, friends. Here is a trade of the week for the week of January 17th. Today's Tuesday the 17th, and the trade of the week is going to be TGB. This is the daily chart over here. And the last two trade of the weeks were both gold stocks, AUI trending harder and also AGI trending higher. This week, TGB is a copper mining stock as well as some gold and silver. But the point is, the chart is confirming the story here. It's been a while since this stock has been above its key moving averages. It has now broken out and is now riding this 10-day simple moving average. So the trade, it's up to you. It can be initiated anywhere in this consolidation period. That's where we are right now. But the real trigger for this trade is above the $1.85 level. And the stop is going to be down here around $1.55. So we're going to risk about 35 cents to hopefully make $1, maybe more. But this is your trade of the week, TGB, Taseko Mines. Good luck. Wait for the trigger. Or if you're interested in anticipating a trade, you can buy into the consolidation, which is what I have actually done. Good luck.